we need new brakes. What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you tuning in. We're back here in the 350z HR right now, and as you just heard, I think we need new brakes. So we're headed over to Les Schwab right now. We're gonna see how much it's gonna cost to get the brakes swapped out. The price wasn't too bad before, so we'll see. Les Schwab, my home away from home. I wonder how much they're gonna get us for, honestly. Hopefully it's not too much. I mean, I'm assuming, I mean, I can't help but imagine it's gonna be over $200. Like, it has to be. It's Les Schwab, right? Like, it has to be. So if it's anything under 200 bucks, I think I'm gonna be pretty solid. But you know, I could just do it myself, but I'm pretty busy right now, so we'll see. We'll see.
"20 minutes later."
All right, so I dropped the car off. If it needs rotors and brakes, it's like 400 bucks. So I brought my helmet, so I'm kind of trying to take it easy on my electric skateboard. This thing will do like 40 miles an hour, which is absolutely insane. Like, I don't even want it. Like, I'm in speed, I'm going 11 miles an hour right now. And I've gone down on this thing so many times, like, it's not worth. Throttle's way too touchy. I wish I would have gotten an electric bike instead, but honestly, 400 bucks, can't get much of an electric bike, I'm not gonna lie. So electric skateboard, 40 miles an hour, sketch. Hello. Who needs to walk, man? Never walked another day in my life. Hey. It's like a dog.
2 hours later.
All right, got the car back. Brand new brakes all around. Guess how much? Guess how much? Let's go for a cruise. Oh man, I missed driving this thing already. Just dropped it off 3 hours ago. Oh yeah. All right, once again, another huge thanks to Les Schwab. They are like basically my go-to brake people. Now tires, that's another question, but brakes, Les Schwab's it is. They have a great warranty. I've had bad experiences in the past with other shops, and Les Schwab is always the shop that like fixes all the issues that these other shops have, like, you know, that they cause and stuff. So it is nice to have them so close to the house as well, just in case anything happens. I mean, it's literally, I can limp the car over here pretty easily. So, but let's go for a cruise right now because it's 5 o'clock traffic, or actually it's 6 o'clock traffic, the best time to cruise around Temecula, you know. I got my GoPro mount. Oh, front lip scrapage. Oh, never good. It's never good, is it? What do we expect? Low car, low front lip, like it's gonna scrape. Honestly, it's such a small piece of the body that we can get it repainted pretty easily if we need, so not super worried. Like the red car, it's got so many rock chips and stuff, it probably needs to be repainted already, honestly. I drove it to Vegas one time, they had like a dust storm, like I can't even make it up. It was the craziest dust storm I've ever seen in Vegas. Rock chips galore, so don't look too close to the red car's front lip. Maybe we'll have TSM paint it. Oh, it's so bright out here. So he did mention we need to brake in the brakes. So he said to brake pretty hard a few times and leave some space. So, all right, I'm gonna hit the brakes. Here we go. There we go. One more time. All right, sweet. Let's go wash this thing. This thing is so dirty. The windshield's just nasty. Oh, and we need to wipe the inside. It's so dusty. Let's do that right now. All right, here we are. My second home away from home. Oh, and we got a Z Gang member, no way. 300ZX, yo. Is this side open? I think this is open over here. Dang, 300ZX. That's clean, that's clean. My second home away from home. I mean, it's either Les Schwab, the car wash, or the gas station. Like literally, I basically pay rent at every single one of those places. So yeah, let's wash this thing. It definitely gets dirty faster than the red car, but you know, it's still not too bad to be honest. $2 rinse down. I know we just washed the car, but the windows have to go down. You know how this works. You know how this works. I mean, we can turn the AC off and have full power. Let's go right. I mean left, sorry. Dyslexic. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so nice through here. The backfire. Wow. It's like a dream realm through here. Who turned on the ray tracing? Doesn't even look real. It looks like a 4K like Forza. Look at this vineyard. We're like driving through Italy or something. Oh, there's a person up here walking. You guys, we have to be really chill. We have to be really chill. They hear a loud exhaust and they just dive out of the road. Like, it's crazy. Even if you're going 10 miles an hour, they just dive out of the road. Oh, the low RPM purr. It's like a cat. Have you ever heard a cat purring? That's what this thing sounds like. All right, let's go right, because I know left is trafficy for sure. Oh man, if I had a hydro right now, I'd be in jail. I mean, I would probably try and drift this corner. Dang, man. Hurricane Hillary really came through there. What was all that hype, you guys? I'm gonna be honest, Hurricane Hillary was not as crazy as I expected, man. Like, my whole street was hunkering down. Like, we thought it was the end of the world. Like, their Walmart by my house was out of water. Like, there was no more toilet paper. Like, it was crazy. What people really should be worried about is all these Californians with their bald tires driving around. Like, I know. Like, I can see that guy's got bald tires from here. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. I do real estate videos for real estate agents, and I actually filmed that house one time. I'll probably mention that every time I drive by. Oh man. All right, you guys, I'm gonna make it a point this week, I'm gonna try and get this check engine light figured out. I've been putting it off for as long as I can remember, since I've owned this car. The check engine light literally came on the day I drove it home from Unique Motorsports. Like, did I get scammed? I don't know. This car is pretty fun, but I don't know how many thousands of dollars it's gonna cost me to fix that check engine light. I really hope it's not gonna cost a lot, and I really hope it's fixable. Like, there's like this nightmare situation where these cars get this phantom misfire and no one can fix it. Like, no one, like, I've seen it happen. You just have to swap the entire engine for this tiny misfire. And honestly, I don't know if this car is running at its 100% maximum potential, but it's hard to know because the rev up, I'm not gonna lie, the rev up feels a little faster. Like right now, floored. They say the HR has less torque, and maybe that's what I'm feeling. The DE is a little bit more of a torquey engine, but I mean, I will say in the higher RPM, like above 5,000, I feel like this is really where this thing kind of wakes up. I just feel like the throttle response or something with the air-fuel ratio, it just does not feel like it's running at like its most efficient way. So I'm gonna try and figure it out. I need to get the O2 sensors because they're completely stripped. Like, I've talked about this before. I don't want to sound like a broken record, but the O2 sensors are stripped. They're basically held in there with JB Weld, so I need to figure out how to fix that. I just need to take this thing into the shop to see if the cats need to be replaced or if they're gonna be savable. If we re-tap the O2 sensors and we find out that these catalytic converters on this car aren't gonna pass smog anyways, then it kind of makes no sense to do that, and like, I should just look for new cats, which I'm terrified for because 2 catalytic converters for this car, I mean, they're like $2,200 a piece in California. So if that's the case, like, I have to register this car out of state or something because I can't pay $4,500 for cats. Like, unless some company wants to come through and sponsor, like $4,500 for cats is just something I can't pay for right now. So I'm really hoping that these O2 sensors are just the issue. I know we can get the cats checked just to make sure they're still working properly. Look at the landscaping out here. Like, that's more grass than anywhere in this town. I'm telling you, like 10 years ago, Temecula voted somewhere and they said no more grass, like wood chip everything. Like, I love grass. Look how green it is over here. I feel like this is like Forza. Like, this doesn't look real. And we're in a San Marino Blue 350Z. This is such, like, the vibes are immaculate right now. Oh. Sounds too good. Too good. Let's go right. Let's go right. They must have a baseball game going on over here or something because it is packed over here. Oh yeah, definitely got something going on. Oh, we set the alarm off. Yeah. Oh man, that's like kind of toxic, but it's kind of funny. I don't know. Let's continue through here. There's a park over here we'll stop at. I have something I gotta show you guys. I don't know what it is. Maybe you'll be able to help me out with it, but it's just really odd. It's something so small, doesn't really bother me, but I'm gonna throw it out there just to see if anyone knows what the issue could be, so. Oh, sending it. It's so nice through here. My mind can't even take it. All right, let's turn into here. Doesn't look like there's too many people around, which is nice. Because I still get stage fright, believe it or not. Right here, right in the center of these 2 lines. All right, let's do a little walk around. This thing sounds so crazy. Listen to this thing. Wow. I mean, it already looks dirty. Yeah, she needs a professional detail already. Just don't look too close. Oh man. I'll tell you, this thing in the shade though, it's just like nothing else. Dang. I wish I could drive both Z's at the same time. I want them both right next to each other. Okay, so explain this, ready? So listen, sounds normal. Sounds pretty normal. Watch me turn the AC off. Listen, it makes this like weird, like metal loose. It's like, sounds like something's loose, listen. You hear that? AC on, AC off. I'm gonna pop the hood and leave the camera over here so you get a better idea. All right, take a listen. You hear that? I don't know. Sounds like compressor or something. Don't know. But it goes away as soon as you turn the AC on. So you turn the AC on, something like clicks, and then it goes away, and then you turn it off, it like unclicks, and then it happens again. So, gotta be the compressor maybe? Maybe the condenser, I don't even know. Let me know in the comments what you'd imagine. I still don't know. We're getting the tint replaced tomorrow, so let's just pull this nasty, nasty tint off of here right now. I was able to pull the window tint off on the driver's side, which is pretty sweet. All right, let's do it. Oh my God. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. Join the family. We're about to hit 25,000 subscribers, which is unbelievable. I never would have imagined the channel was gonna grow to where it's at right now, and I'm so thankful for every single one of you